So this is Moto 1 of my first race back in around 12 years. I do have a whole shot device. We clipped it in and somehow it popped out. And as you can see, I was not ready for that. But yeah, my first race back and this is how it started. Enjoy, guys. So as you can see, I am stone lost. Absolutely horrible start, but we've managed to bring it back by the end of the race. this point, I've managed to pass everyone in my class, which puts me in first place. We have about 9 to 10 minutes left of racing. I'll cut the clips of the next few. At this point, I am dying on the inside, and as you'll see later on, I just keep trying to keep my momentum up and just to keep the lead far enough ahead and be safe. At this stage, I've skipped around 3 to 4 laps, and I think there's only 2 laps left. As you can see, my body is very fatigued. I was not ready for this, to be honest with you, so at least I know I need to work on my fitness for the next few races. But yeah, enjoy the last 2 laps. At this point, I was so happy to see that last lap flag. I knew I've built up a bit of a lead on the previous guys, so my determination was just to stay on the bike, finish this lap, and get this race over with. So at this point, the race was finished. I was completely dying. It was a great race in my eyes. To be honest, I do not know where I placed because I don't know who I was riding against. As I said, it was my first race back, so I don't know all the riders. When we finally got the results, I see I was first. So I was very hyped with that, and I knew in the second race I just had to get a better start to have an easier race. So in the second race, I had a lot better start, got into the lead a lot earlier, just relaxed my way through, finished the race feeling a lot better than I did after this one. So overall, for my first race in 12 years, I was very happy about my placement and how I was riding. I know what I need to work on. I like my fitness and fatiguing. But yeah, the support was great. My friends and family were amazing, and I couldn't have done it without them. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.